Okay, let's answer for letter A, BOC. Find the angle BOC. Give me a reason for your answer. For letter A, so since the angle at the circumference here is 54, and we are going to find the angle at just the center, so we're just going to multiply it by 2. So 54 times 2 is 108 degrees. So reason behind is you can just write the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Circumference. Right there. Okay, next for letter B. When O is the origin, the position vector of point C is 3, negative 4. Work out the gradient of the radius OC. So we're trying to look for the gradient of this line right here, which is also radius of the circle. So in order to do that, let me just draw a Cartesian plane here, so you can see the vector here. So let's say this is Cartesian plane, and O is the origin, which means the coordinate of this one is 0, 0. Yeah. And you see here, that means uh, let's use another color. So this is C. Coordinate of this one will be 3, negative 4. Sorry, 3, negative 4. Okay, because of this vector, that means you go to the right 3 places and going down 4 places. So that means you go here, you went here 3 places, like 1, 2, 3, and this is 4 places going 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 3, 4. So that means 3 is the x movement, and 4 here, negative 4 is the y movement. So uh, let's find the gradient. So the gradients is the formula for the gradient is equals to the change in y over the change in x. So we have the change in y. So this is negative, by the way. So the change in y is negative 4. So m will be negative 4, and the change in x is 3. So the gradient will be negative 4 over 3. So m equals to negative 4 over 3. You can also use the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 over x sub 1 using the origin and the point C here, and you will get the same result. Okay, so let's go to number 2. So this is B2. Let's go to B2. Okay, so this is the point 7k. Find the value of k. So they have this given. This is 7k right here. Okay, so 7k. So 7 is x, and k is value of y. So in order to find k here, so you must first find the equation of this line, tangent line, TCT or TC, and after that you can just substitute in the equation, which is 7, and we will find k, which is the value of y. So let's find the equation using the gradient. So as you can see, this is tangent, and we have a radius here. That means this is perpendicular line. So OC line OC is perpendicular to line, let's say, TD. So the gradient of OC is negative 4 over 3. M of OC is negative 4 over 3. So if we're going to get the gradient of TD, which is perpendicular, that will be, TD will be the negative reciprocal of OC, so that becomes 3/4. Okay, so we can formulate the equation for TD because we have now the gradient. So we can have y equals 3/4 x plus c, but we don't have yet the y-intercept, so which is here, right here. We don't have that one yet, so we need to find it first using one of the point that is intersecting at that line in that tangent, which is point C. We have 3, -4. This is also x and y, so we can substitute it here and find C. So let's find C. So if x is x is 3 and y is -4, so we can substitute. So let's bring it here. um, Let me just erase the top so we can have a space. Okay, so we have y equals 3/4 x plus c if 3x is, if we use 3 it's x and -4 here. So we substitute, this is x and y. So -4 equals to 3/4 times 3 plus c. Then -4 minus 9 over 4 equals to c. So therefore we have -16 over 4 minus 9. So that we get 25, -25 over 4. So we will get -25 over 4. Okay, so we can formulate now, substitute this one to C. So the final equation will be y equals to 3/4 x minus 25 over 4. Now we can find the k if we're going to substitute 7 as the value of x, and we will find k here. So k will be, let's use another color. So k equals to 3 over 4 times 7 rather, 7 times 7 minus 24, 25, this is 25, 25 minus 25 over 4, minus 25 over 4, sorry for that. And we will have 21, k equals to 21 over 4 minus 25 over 4. So we will get -1 as k equals to -1. So that means the coordinate here is 7 and -1, which makes sense because this is in negative area in quadrant number 4. So this is 7, this is -1. Okay, so thank you so much.